for the win. Chris and what is your name? Ria. Ria and Chris, for the last item, for the win, you need to bring us a snack from the dinner buffet. Oh, we just said don't slip. He'll be fine, he's fine. Oh no, Chris! Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Chris! All the way from down under, jumping like a kangaroo. Now, Chris, as the winner of this competition of Treasure Hunt Plus musical chairs, you have to do a victory dance. Okay, are you ready? But the twist is you're not doing the victory dance alone. You're dancing with Thejus. Let's go!
What's up? Good morning. So we're finally finished Nebula's wedding. It was a great wedding. It was so nice catching up with friends, family, and just having fun. It has not been what do you call, smooth one. There was ups and downs, but it went really well. I'm glad we could give her a great wedding. I hope she did. But as life goes, the next chapter begins. But we had a lot of fun. No sleep for the last few days, so definitely gonna get some good nap tonight. Right now we're heading to Wilpattu for a safari. The last thing in my list for Sri Lanka before I head back to the next place, which is gonna be India for another wedding. So, but obviously it's not my, it's for Manasvi's friends. But yeah, an Indian wedding this time. This was an Indian wedding, but obviously in Sri Lanka, as you know, it's a destination wedding. I'm looking forward for the safari. Let's see how it is. I didn't get obviously to go to Africa this end of the year, which was the plan. But yeah, Sri Lankan safari looks really good. I've heard about a lot about it. So yeah. About the wedding, I was just thinking about the wedding. It's really, I didn't realize, like, I had so much fun. Danced a lot. Had some crazy experiences with the games. Smashed my back, fell on my back while I was playing. I won the game though. And yeah, also the emotional speech that I gave for Nebula, it was a bit touchy for me too, like knowing her for so long, finally getting to go for the wedding. I did miss two of my really close mates, Yanni and Neil, but unfortunately they couldn't come. But yeah, I don't know, feeling a little heavy-hearted, you know, like, because obviously one of your closest mates is now married, starting a new chapter. Obviously they're still there, but you know, things do change in lives, and you just have to understand and move on. But yeah, gonna see what lies for me coming up. But for now, let's enjoy Sri Lanka. Wilpattu, but the accommodation entry is so dodgy. Just have a look. It's between trees, like legit like a walkway. It's like a walkway and you're walking into the resort. Hope it's good. Pictures were really good. So booking.com better not fail me. Time for safari. Let's go. so I didn't get lucky with the leopards. Unfortunately, they got away. So now we're on foot trying to look around. Hopefully we get lucky with something. Such a beautiful peacock. Mother Nature is really amazing. Look how quiet, calm everything is. Water dropping, the birds chirping. Oh well, didn't get lucky. No leopards, no bears. Next time, maybe. That's the room, not bad. Got a fridge, nice big bed, got a TV, walk-in wardrobe, got a balcony. Let's have a look at the balcony. Oh wow, got a lovely balcony, really beautiful view. And let's see the toilet. Hope it's nice. Oh, I got a huge toilet, a nice shower. Oh my god, I can't wait. Okay, it's an early day, just safari really today. Because I've only slept 2 hours last night. I'm really exhausted. Gonna get some room service, just pretty much not leave the room. It's around 6:30. Last day in Sri Lanka, so let's just chill, relax. I want to pack later on, and yeah, just doze off, to be honest. It's been a lovely day, but I'm exhausted. I have no energy again, like just see with my facial reactions. But yeah, see you later. Let me enjoy my kotu. Good night.